Yeah, we want to
Go,
holler,
boy.
holler,
You
holler.
go.
Lamont, you like that?
Yes, I like that one.
Throw up both your hands. Okay.
Throw up both your hands.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, throw up both your hands.
Oh, okay.
This
Okay. You stay muted, Mr. Bailey. Please.
Damn, y'all
Don't
can come
stop.
up in the courtroom, but I can't.
Beg your pardon?
Nothing.
Oh, I didn't think so. Okay.
Oh, I ain't think so. I'm just gonna repeat what you said. You said throw up both your hands.
No, I didn't say that, sir. That was not me.
I was about to lift up both my hands. That's all.
All right.
I was about to.
Where's John Holler?
Okay,
The
there's
attorney. Is the attorney here?
yeah, Mr. Howard, your client, and okay.
I don't see him.
What kind of? You must have a
sound like a man.
screen,
You sound like a man there.
Oh, there he is. Yeah, John, we're back.
All right, Mr. Holly, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, Mr. Bailey, I'm calling your case 24-0556-2701, People versus Marvin Bailey.
Good morning, Your Honor. Cal Nazier for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Where's Nitro camera not on?
Oh, yeah,
I don't see him.
Girl, okay.
Hold on, sir.
Yeah.
Mr. Holly, appearance.
John J. Holler on behalf of Mr. Marvin Bailey, who's joined us by the Zoom technology.
All right, Mr. Bailey, I need your name, sir.
Marvin Bailey.
All right, good morning. All right, Mr. Nazier, any offers here?
Judge, Mr. Holler emailed me some information yesterday to give me more to look at and read, and I've had email communication with him. Currently, the offer is no reduced plea.
All right, how you want to proceed today, Mr. Holler?
Well, the offer is no reduced plea and two years of probation. Isn't that right, Mr. Najjar?
Correct.
Okay.
With other conditions, that's correct.
Okay, with some other conditions to be determined. If we can do a situation where my client can pay in lieu of community service, something like that, we can take.
Buckle up, guys. Today we're going inside a courtroom where chaos meets confidence. A man charged with carrying a concealed weapon thinks he can outsmart the system. From the very start, his attitude screams trouble as he interrupts jokes and treats the judge like a buddy. What should have been a simple plea deal begins slipping away the moment he opens his mouth, setting the stage for everything that's about to go wrong.
Take a plea today. His camera's off.
I'm here.
All right, you understand what the prosecutor's offer is, sir?
No, I don't.
Mr. Nazier.
I don't even see the prosecutor. Who is the prosecutor? His camera's not on.
What does that have to do with it, Judge?
The offer that we've discussed is to plead guilty to carrying a concealed weapon without a license to do so, which is a felony. 2 years, a sentence agreement of 2 years of probation, and you will have the opportunity to pay.
Camera. Fuck them.
Hey.
Okay.
Mr. Bailey, watch your mouth, sir.
Man, okay.
Here's what's gonna happen, Mr. Bailey. If you keep it up, I'm gonna bring you into the courtroom and take you into custody and find you in contempt. Settle down,
All
sir.
right, bro. All right.
That's the judge, not your bro.
All right. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, Judge.
All right, go ahead, Mr. Holler.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. And at the time of sentencing.
All right, guys, the courtroom tension spikes fast. The defendant can't control his mouth and drops an insult that shocks everyone. The judge wastes no time reminding him this isn't a YouTube debate, but a real court, threatening contempt in custody. The room falls silent as the man suddenly realizes he's not running this show. A quick apology saves him, for now, but the damage is already done and the tone of the case has changed completely.
Affirm the testimony you're about to give today will be the truth?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. You understand if I accept the plea from you today, sir, you give up or you waive? First of all, you understand that the maximum penalty I can impose if I accept a guilty plea can be up to 5 years in prison?
Yeah.
You understand if I accept the plea from you, sir, you give up or you waive certain constitutional rights?
Yeah.
You understand you waive your right to have a trial by judge or jury?
Yes, sir.
You have your right to remain silent without that silence being used against you.
Understood.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Waive your right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt.
I'm gonna say yes to that, but I was already. I'm guilty. Yeah, though, cause they already said I was guilty, man.
Waive those rights. That's what
Yeah, though. Yeah.
All right, you understand that you waive your right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt.
Yeah.
Is that a yes?
Yes.
Anybody threaten you or force you to get you plead guilty?
No.
Anybody promise you anything beyond what the prosecutors? Anybody promise you anything beyond what the prosecutor's office has offered you to get you plead guilty?
No.
All right. Anybody, Mr. Nature, date, time, location, factual basis, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Bailey, on February 5th, 2024, in the area of Binder Street in the city of Detroit.
It's Binder, Binder, Binder.
Binder Street in the city of Detroit. At some point, did you have contact with the police that day? At some point, did you have contact with the police that day?
I ain't had no contact with the police. They contacted me.
Right. Okay. You were arrested that day?
Yeah.
Okay. So prior to that, at some point prior to that, did you have a handgun, a pistol?
You said, did I have a handgun, a pistol?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had that big Glocky on me.
And was it concealed in some fashion at some point?
I had a 30 round hanging out the clip. I had a 30 round hanging out. It wasn't concealed. It was a big 30 round on it. It wasn't concealed. But yeah, though, I had it on me.
Okay. Was it in a pocket or under a shirt or something?
No, it was outside. It was sticking out. It was hanging out.
Okay. Was it partially inside of a pocket?
No.
All right.
I had it out.
Mr. Howler, I don't know if you need to have a discussion, but we need to know whether it was concealed or not at some point.
That's what I'm saying. My shit wasn't concealed. That's what I'm saying. I don't even know why I'm going through this. My shit wasn't concealed. It was not concealed.
All right,
Now,
Mr.
let's
Howler.
hope it was concealed, and I want to go to trial.
Hold on,
You're
Mr.
what?
Bailey. All right, Mr. Bailey.
My gun wasn't concealed. It wasn't concealed. And I'm sick y'all trying to do me like this.
Now things take a wild turn. The defendant begins his plea, but instead of simply admitting guilt, he contradicts himself at every step. He claims he's already guilty because they said so, then insists his gun wasn't concealed at all. The judge tries to explain, but the man's confusion turns his own words into evidence against him. What was meant to be an easy plea deal now unravels completely as he talks himself right out of his best offer.
All right, Mr. Bailey. Mr. Bailey, settle down. All right, Mr. Howler.
Man, this is wrong, man. Y'all do
Mr.
people
Bailey.
like this, man.
Mr. Bailey, just listen. I'm not going to accept the plea. I'll let you go forward to have a trial. Mr. Howler, you want an examination date?
Yes, I do.
All right, so Mr. Bailey, you're going to be going on. I'm not going to accept any pleas from you today, sir. If you're innocent, we're going to let you go forward and exercise your constitutional rights to have a trial. So we're going to the next stage, sir. The next stage is at a preliminary examination. Mr. Nature, as it relates to any offers.
Your Honor, it goes forward as a no-reduce plea.
All right. So, Mr. Tooks, can I have examination track for Mr. Bailey?
Not a problem. It's going to be Judge Sabri.
All right. Mr. Holler, this matter is going on the examination track before an Honorable Judge Aaliyah Sabri for a Zoom PCC May 30th at 8:30 a.m. Again, before the Honorable Judge Aaliyah Sabri for a Zoom PCC May 30th, 8:30 a.m.
Okay. All right, thank you.
All right, Mr. Bailey, you going to the next stage, sir. You going forward to have a preliminary examination, sir. You got that date and time?
Yeah, because I ain't going out like that, man. I can't go out like that, man.
That's fine, sir. You can exercise.
I can't go out like that. My shit wasn't concealed, man. They trying to play me dirty.
All right, you can go forward, sir, and have a trial. Have a good day, sir.
In the final act, the judge has had enough. The plea is off the table, and the case is heading to trial. The defendant protests, swearing he won't go out like that. But it's too late. His attitude and arrogance have cost him the deal, and the courtroom moves on without him. The commentary closes predicting that he might have just traded probation for real jail time. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.